How to adjust digital audio delay on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button and go to Settings. In Settings, go to Sounds. Here in Sounds, go to Speakers. In Speakers, make sure the audio output is set into SPDIF. And below, you can see the digital audio delay. So you can adjust the digital audio output delay time to sync audio from an external speaker with the image on the TV. So you can adjust this by going the digital audio delay, and now you can see the adjustment. So you can adjust to the right or left. And okay guys, I decide to set into 10. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust the digital audio delay on Devant Smart TV.